Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Customz YouTube channel. Happy New Year to all of you that are watching. So we're going to start off the 2024 with a new video, with an easy DIY video. And on this car, we're just going to be changing the brake lights. So currently the left brake lights don't work on this car, the right does. So we're going to replace the bulb on the left and make sure everything's working by the end of this video. And this is a simple DIY which you guys can follow at home in case your brake light is out on your Audi car. As for shops and garages, will charge you quite a bit just to change a brake light bulb, which you can do at home by yourself. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Andrew, and on this channel we talk about simple DIYs like this, things that we do on our project cars, which is a 4 Series F33 and a 7 Series E38. So if you do like content like that, please do remember to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification button so you never miss a video. So what are we waiting for? Let's get crack-a-lacking. So sometimes you might not know if your brake light is out unless someone comes and tells you, but there is a sign which pops up in the car. Some people don't know what this sign is, so I'm going to show you what that sign is in case your brake light is out. So what we want to do is turn on the car or turn it to the ignition, and you'll see there's a sign that pops up. It says left brake light out, and when we see that sign, it means that we need to change the left brake light. Here is the brake light sign. So if you have this sign on your dash, it means you have to replace a brake light on the back. So get someone to look at the back and see which side has gone out. So we're going to demonstrate that to you right now. I'm going to put the car on, hit the brakes, and you can see that the left side, or my right side, is out. So that's the one that we're going to be changing. You would have saw that this light works and that one didn't. So this is the side we're going to be working on today. So in order to start this job, you need a flathead screwdriver. Here I've got an electrical tool, which I don't recommend using, but you should use maybe a flathead screwdriver. Well, this does the job. So anything with a flat end like this, you need the bulbs. So these are 382 tail light bulbs. And you would need a 10mm ratchet and an extension and a socket in order to remove a bolt which is behind here. So to start off, we just want to remove this plastic bit and get this flathead behind. Remove this, and then there is a 10mm bolt which is right behind. You're going to get our ratchet tool with our socket and just go in and start removing that. Just make sure you don't drop this bolt behind, otherwise you need to remove all this covering just to get to that bolt. So we're just going to remove that bolt, the 10mm socket. So 10 years later, sorry guys, we didn't video most of it since I needed my uncle's help. So we removed this, we removed these bits from the bottom, and we just lifted up the carpet and we got access to the bolt. So as you can see here, this is the bolt that was holding the tail light in, and now we've taken out the tail light and it's like this, and we can go ahead and remove the bulbs. However, when we go back to installing the lights, we won't be able to. As you can see, whoever worked on this before, they don't know what they're doing, and they've put a bolt like this here when they shouldn't have, because this doesn't really hold, and when you go to remove the bolt, it's just going to keep spinning. And since it's in an awkward position like this, you won't be able to get access to this bolt unless you open up from here, and that's what we've done. So here, these are the bulbs. We can see if the bulb is out by just looking at the actual wires inside. You can see this one is out. So we're going to remove this, twist the bulb, and you can see this is out and it's all like yellowish and stuff inside. These two look alright, so we're just going to replace this and hopefully everything works. Just going to open up the bulbs, and these bulbs will be available on our website. So if you did not know which bulbs to get, just click on the link in the description and you should be able to purchase these bulbs as long as they're your brake lights that are out. And we're just going to put the bulb in and twist it. When changing bulbs, make sure to wear gloves and try avoid contact on the actual bulb and just use this silver bit, because the more you touch the actual bulb with your bare hands, it will decrease the life of the bulbs. So try wear gloves when you do this. So this is all done. We're going to put it back into the tail light, and hopefully everything's working. So before we bolt everything down, I'm going to put the wire in. I'm going to just go test it, see if it works. If it does, then we're going to put everything back together temporarily, and then hopefully we get a new light or a new bolt to get this fixed properly. So we're going to go ahead, start up the car, or put it into ignition, hit the brakes, and as you can see there, it starts to work. So job is complete. However, even though the job is complete, whoever's worked on this car before has made this life much harder by putting that bolt, which shouldn't be there in the first place. So we're just going to start putting this back together, and hopefully everything works. Well, it does work, but everything is assembled properly. So since the bolt is out and we can't reuse the bolt, we're using zip ties to just hold the tail light in for the time being till we get the screw ordered and replaced. A better thing is just order the parts and then do the job, then you save all this hassle. The only reason why I'm doing this is because the brake light doesn't work at all, and if you get stopped by the police in the UK, they can issue you a ticket for no reason, just for a brake light not working. So it's better to get it changed. But if you do have this issue, just use a zip tie as a temporary solution till you get the parts. So that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you guys found that video informative. As you can see, the left side is now working. It was previously not working, and now both sides work. However, this is a temporary fix and it's not permanent, since the light is a bit loose, and the reason why is because the bolt was fully out, as I showed you guys earlier. So we need to replace that bolt in order for that side light to be fully in. However, it's holding on with zip ties, but I don't know how long it will do that for. So we're going to get that ordered today, and hopefully we can get that replaced within the week. So yeah, if you have your brake light that you need to fix on your Audi, this is how you do it, and I hope you guys found that informative. And if you're new to this channel, do subscribe if you do like content like this one, and there's nothing else to say. Till next time, peace.